How to insert any signature in Google Docs. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing is to be on your Google Docs. Now feel free to choose a document that you would like to insert the signature into, but for me I'm going to use a blank document to demonstrate this. Now there are actually two methods you can do this. Now the first one, we're going to head over to insert and tap on it. Now you want to head over to drawing and then head over to new and tap on it. Now head over to where you see line and click on the drop down. Now you want to go to the last option that says scribble and click on it. Now go ahead and sketch out your signature, and when you are done you want to click on save and close, and your signature will be uploaded to your files. Now just in case you're using a document that has other write-ups, now this signature will come on top of it. So the next thing to do at this point is to highlight the signature. Now go to the top of your screen and then you want to click on image option. Now you want to go to the left hand side of your screen and tap on text wrap, and then you want to go down to behind text and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and adjust the size of your signature, and this would not be on top of other text again. Now another method used to insert signature in Google Docs is to upload an already existing signature, and you can get these signatures by using free tools on the internet. So you just want to check that out, get your signature and download it. Now you want to head over to insert and tap on it, and then you want to go to image and then head to upload from computer, and you want to tap on it. And now guys, you'll be required to upload the file for the signature that you downloaded. So I'll just choose mine, and as you can see, this is my signature. So I'm just going to put that behind text again. And guys, this is exactly how to insert any signature on your Google Docs. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.